What is a programming language in 60 seconds? Ever wondered how your favorite apps or website actually work? It's all thanks to something called a programming language. A programming language is like a special set of instructions that people use to tell computers what to do. Just like humans speak English or Filipino, computers understand languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++. Each programming language has its own rules and style, but they all do the same thing. They help us write code that can create games, websites, apps, and more. For example, if you want a computer to show a message, play music, or solve a math problem, you write the instructions using a programming language, and the computer follows them exactly. So next time you use your phone or laptop, remember, behind every click or tap is a programming language making it all possible. Hope it helps!